Mental disorders affect 1 in 4 people. Between 30 and 80% of them don't seek treatment. What's worse is that many people even fail to acknowledge their mental health issues. Are you one of them? It's challenging to tell between stress and stress disorder. What you may think are work-related worries could be a disorder. What you may believe is a bad mood could actually be clinical depression. And that nervous feeling might really be anxiety. So, it's not surprising that many people do not even realize that they are going through some mental health problems. And even if they do know that something is wrong, they may refuse to recognize it, let alone seeking proper treatment. There are several reasons why this is the case. In part, it's because of the lack of adequate and resourceful awareness around mental health. In addition, the stigma around mental illness is another reason that prevents people from addressing their problems. Accepting that your worries, mood swings, and elongated period of sadness, attention deficiency, or other issues are a part of a bigger problem is the first step. Other signs or symptoms may show that you may be going through a mental health problem. Lasting fatigue, sadness, suicidal thoughts, excessive fears, detachment from social life, change in weight, extreme mood swings, confusion, change in eating habits, and more are all signs that something isn't quite right. If one or more symptoms have lasted for more than 2 weeks, it definitely calls for concern. Are you experiencing any of these symptoms? If your answer is yes, get professional help immediately. Google mental health center near me and see an experienced counselor. At the same time, consider sharing it with a close friend or family member. In these times, getting emotional support from someone whom you can trust can make a big difference. Furthermore, even if you don't particularly feel any severe symptom but you believe you're going through certain mental problems, you should still approach a counselor. Search for community health clinic near me. If your existing situation has lasted for more than a couple of weeks, you have no reason to suffer in silence. You can feel much better. You can effectively treat all your mental health problems. It all starts with you taking that very first step. So, ask yourself some tough questions, figure out your mental state, and if needed, take that first step to seek help.